Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 17. T varies inversely as the cube of R. When R equals to 3, T equals to 2 over 81. Find T when R equals to 2. A 1 over 18, B 1 over 12, C 1 over 24, and D 1 over 6. Now, the question says T varies inversely as the cube of R. That is, T varies inversely as R cube. That is, T is equals to K over R cube. Now, when R equals 3 and T equals 2 over 81, we're now trying to establish the equation connecting T and R. So it simply means that T 2 over 81 is equals to K all over R cube, that is 3 cube, and 2 over 81 is equals to K all over 27. 27 is 3 cube. 3 cube will give us 27. So from this, when we cross multiply, we'll have that 2 multiplied by 27 is equals to 81 multiplied by K. So therefore we'll have 54 is equals to 81 K. Then K is equals to 54 all over 81, and that is equals to K is equal to 2 all over 3. 2 over 3, that's the K. So therefore the equation connecting T and R is that T is equals to 2 all over 3 over R cube. Now we are asked to find T when R equals to 2. So T when R equals to 2, T will be equals to 2 all over 3 divided by 2 cube. So T is equals to 2 all over 3 all over 8. 2 cube is 8. So this will be T is equals to 2 all over 3 divided by 8, and that is equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 8. So now 2 here 1 and 2 in 8 will give us 4. So we have that T is equals to 1 all over 3 times 4, and that is 1 over 12. So 1 over 12 is the answer to this question, and that is option B. So 1 over 12 is the value of T when R equals to 2. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.